Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube. Cake Queen Tanya. I am brand new to YouTube, but I am excited to share with you guys cake tutorials, fun cake stuff, whatever it is you want to see. Let me know, and I will try to make a video of it. So let's talk about what we have going on right here. I'm about to fill my 7-inch cake. This is my classic vanilla recipe, and I am using American buttercream. I'm putting a thin layer down right here, and then I will be piping a dam border, buttercream dam, and this is what's going to hold my fresh strawberries in so they don't smush out the side or anything. And this is just regular strawberries, washed, dried properly, dried really good, and chopped up. And I'm spooning them in. Now I'm about to add layer 2. These layers are about 1 inch thick. I baked 3 2-inch layers, and I divided each 2-inch layer into 1-inch layers. I ended up with 6 layers, but for this cake, I believe I only used 5. Before I add this layer on, I smear a thin layer of buttercream on the bottom of this layer. It acts as a barrier between the cake and the filling, whatever fruit filling you may be using. That way it doesn't make the cake soggy. And that way, guests can still enjoy the fruit filling plus some frosting. And here I am applying more American buttercream to the top of this layer, and I'm going to basically repeat the process all the way out. Buttercream border. Then we spoon in our strawberries. Oop, come here. So since I'll be doing this I'll repeat the same process until the cake is completely filled with strawberries and buttercream. In the meantime, just please spread the word, subscribe, like, comment, ask questions. I will respond to everybody. I'm just here to have fun and to teach, to show and teach. I'm hoping to, get better at making videos. This is my first video, and I've already noticed my lighting is not up to par. I have a very small kitchen, so my countertop, the light, I actually have good lighting in my overall kitchen, but the lighting is being blocked by my cupboard, so I can't really help it. But I did order some lighting stuff. Stuff is expensive, by the way. Making YouTube videos, but I did order some lighting. I just have to set that up and get a good angle, comfortable position in my kitchen. And we're still filling this classic vanilla cake. But in the future, things to look forward to: crumb coating your cake, buttercream, fondant, tricks and tips. My personal tricks and tips. That's how I learned basically a lot of what I'm doing. I watched a lot of YouTube. I was a part of a lot of cake forums where I just asked questions. I just, saw other people's techniques, and I tried every new technique that I learn about. I try it, and I basically use the one that works best for me. I will try anything once. I will try any fondant once. I will try any buttercream recipe once, and the best one that I feel is the best, that I know my clients would like, that I like, that is what I implement. That is what I use. I've played around with a lot of different things. So, on my channel, I will be talking a lot about that. A lot about the different fondants I've used, the experiences I've had using fondant, certain fondants, tips and tricks with fondant, same thing with buttercream, all the way down to the type of butter, May not give you my cake recipes. That's near and dear. But don't mind sharing, a lot of this other stuff. Oh, so here we are, the top of the cake. And we're nearing the end. And I'm just smushing everything together, getting rid of air bubbles. We're going to talk about that too. But that's all.